Welcome to part 4 of the 283 UK road signs. Alright, let's begin. Can you identify this sign? What type of sign is this? Definitely, it's the direction of the route to a tourist attraction for pedestrians sign. Do you recognize this sign? Absolutely, it's the both lanes closed sign. What does this sign represent? Can you tell what this sign means? What does this road sign indicate? For sure, it's the all 3 lanes closed sign. Which sign is this? What does this symbol stand for? Definitely, it's the tourist information sign. Do you know what this sign points out? What does this sign signify? That's right, it's the do not enter the traffic lane directly below sign. Can you name this sign? What kind of sign is this? What is the purpose of this sign? What does this road sign tell us? That's correct. It's the junction ahead of a primary route sign. What does this sign symbolize? What message does this sign convey? Exactly, it's the A standard traffic light with a supplemental sign. Can you describe what this sign indicates? What is this sign used for? Do you know the meaning of this sign? What does this traffic sign suggest? What does this road marker mean? Which type of sign is shown here? Yes, it's the lane 2 is closed ahead sign. Can you identify the purpose of this sign? What instruction does this sign provide? Absolutely, it's the lane 2 and 3 closed ahead sign. What kind of information does this sign display? What does this emergency sign mean? How would you interpret this sign? What detail does this sign reveal? What does this marker represent? What is this traffic sign's function? Indeed, it's the A solid circle emergency diversion route marker sign. What does this lane closure sign mean? What does this triangular marker indicate? Can you figure out what this bicycle-specific sign means? What instruction does this diversion sign give? What does this junction sign highlight? What is this sign pointing to? What does this directional sign suggest? What is the meaning of this standard sign? Certainly, it's the standard traffic light sign. What is the purpose of this emergency diversion marker? Yes, it's the emergency diversion route for motorway and other main road traffic sign. What does this junction sign mean? What type of traffic flow does this sign direct? What does this road sign allow? How does this priority sign guide traffic? What does this tourist stop sign mean? What does this road closure sign indicate? What does this hazard sign warn about? What is this curve-related sign warning drivers? Absolutely. It's the lane's bend ahead sign. What does this diversion sign inform motorists? Can you identify the purpose of this wig-wag signal? What does this tourist information sign communicate? Yes, it's the direction and distance to a tourist information point or center sign. We hope you enjoyed part 4 of the UK road sign series. Be sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for updates. Part 5 is just around the corner. Don't miss it. Click here to explore more videos. See you soon.